So hey y'all, it's Camille coming to you back with another video. Today we have a Taco Bell Flamin Hot taco video. Okay, so I'm like infamous for these Taco Bell videos, y'all. I love doing Taco Bell videos. Anytime they have the Flamin Hot tacos, you already know I'm already on it. Okay, so I did see KC Connection go and do a review on these. I thought, why not? Let me go ahead and get right into it. So I did purchase 4 of the Flamin Hot tacos. These are the Dorito Flamin Hot tacos, and I just got them regular as they come, no sour cream. I don't eat that. And I got some onions. Y'all know I gotta have my onions. I got some nacho cheese, and I got my fire sauce, of course. And then I have some a Faygo grape, so I'm just gonna pour that. They didn't have any of the slushies that I wanted, so they didn't have none of them, is what they say. I think the lady was being a asshole, but whatever, y'all. I'm gonna make my own little sugar drink. Yeah. And I haven't done a mukbang video in a long time, y'all. It's been some time, but I thought, let me just go ahead and do it. Let me set up my little table. It had dust on it. I had to clean it. Whatever. Okay, so I'm rambling. Let me get right into it. So I'm gonna show y'all. This is how it looks. So this one kind of has like some yellow tint to it. So the regular Flamin Hot Doritos taco was kind of just all red. This has like some like yellow tint to it. It looks like it has the Cool Ranch seasoning on it. Excuse my nails, y'all. So of course, I'm gonna see if y'all. I'm gonna break it. So, I want y'all to see the inside. Y'all not gonna be able to see it. Y'all not gonna be able to see that, kind of. And I'm gonna add me some onions to it, of course. Y'all know I gotta have onion. I don't know why the onion. I mean, tacos don't come with onion. I mean, I guess everybody don't like onions, but y'all know I gotta have that. Fire sauce. I'm actually use another packet. Y'all know I love my stuff spicy. If I had some Valentina sauce, I would use that, but I don't. So let's get right into it. Y'all know I gotta take more than one bite to tell y'all how to taste. So it's good, y'all. It's definitely good. Got that cheesy Flamin Hot flavor. It's not that spicy. It's not as spicy as the Flamin Hot Dorito taco, but you know, it's still got a kick to it. Is it? I'm talking with my mom. Is it better than the regular Flamin Hot taco? No, it's not. The regular one is better, but this one is good. It's good, y'all, but it's not better. So I'm gonna stuff on. It's not better. But it's good. It's real good. I really like my butt to burn. I want it to be spicy, and it ain't that spicy. And I'm probably gonna finish all these. I'm gonna use some of this nacho cheese sauce. I know that. I don't know how y'all eat sour cream. Just can't do it. I just can't do it. So have you guys tried these? Are you going to try them? I feel like they were kind of low-key with this release. Like they didn't really announce it. And I've been looking for the Flamin Hot tacos for a minute. And they just popped up. Like I just saw them on YouTube. And I'm like, they didn't tell nobody about this release at all. They just kind of like, surprise. Surprise, y'all. The only thing I don't like about these type of tacos is that they do break easily. They break easily. But they good. And I've been on this Flamin Hot kick, y'all. Y'all been seeing my videos. I've been posting a lot of Flamin Hot. I've been posting a lot of Flamin Hot videos. Because they keep coming out with Flamin Hot stuff. Everything is Flamin Hot now. Y'all know that Flamin Hot brand is making their money. Definitely making some money off me. These are good. The more I eat them, I'm like, I don't know if it's nacho cheese or what. So, how y'all doing? What's been going on? How my mukbang people? Because I have not mukbang in forever. And I honestly miss it because I feel like it's easier than putting out other type of content. It's definitely easier to me. But I'm gonna start sprinkling some more mukbangs, y'all. Because I love to eat. And because I'm breastfeeding, your girl is always hungry. Always hungry. Hungry all the time. I definitely eat a lot more than I used to. And y'all put down below y'all favorite sauce. What's your favorite Taco Bell sauce? Or do you not use any sauce at all? I feel like I seen somebody say they don't use sauce. Why isn't this opening? That's kind of scaring me. I feel like I saw somebody say that they don't eat any sauce with their tacos. And I thought, like, that's pretty disgusting. Like, how are you eating tacos without any sauce? Like, what are you doing? And they coming out with so much like YouTube worthy food and TikTok food. That's all you seeing. They doing challenges and all that. They want us to promote their brand for free, basically. This thing is falling all apart, y'all. As you can see. a mess. And these, they do get soggy quick. Y'all, I actually got a story time about my little staycation that I had yesterday. I was gonna put this in another video, but I'm gonna tell y'all now. So me and Xavier wanted to do a little staycation. And we was offered by my mother because she actually receives free rooms from Motor City Hotel and Casino in Detroit, Michigan. And I was excited, like, yeah, free room, whatever. So my mom actually stayed there one night on a Thursday night. She went to a concert and she was like, you could just stay on Friday or whatever. You and Xavier get a break and I'll watch the baby. So I was like, cool. Yes, that's what I want to do. And so, y'all know this lady told me the day of that the room was not actually two separate rooms. It was the same room. Like, they stayed there on Thursday night and we were supposed to stay in that exact same room on Friday night. And she told me when we're like on our way about to go, almost on our way about to go, she like, yeah, Camille, I try to get them to clean the room, but they said they have this COVID policy where they're not allowing people to go in the rooms for 3 days, so they can't clean the room. Like, we supposed to stay in this room that they just use all their juices and stuff like that. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, Ma, do you know who you're talking to? Like, I'm partially, halfway, not really, or germaphobe. Like, I hate, you know, germs. And she thought I was going to get some of her butt juice. Y'all, I was tripping. I said, Ma, it's never been that bad. Oh, no, we don't have to stay at the, we don't have to stay at the hotel. Oh, no. Go ahead. You might as well go ahead and go back down there. And she was like, looking at me like I'm crazy. And I'm like, Ma, would you actually stay down? Oh, this is all fall apart. Would you stay in a room that me and Xavier stayed at? With all our stuff, juices in them, whatever? No, you would not. So, I don't know why you would think we would. It has never been that bad. I'm like, Mom, we're going to take you down to the senior citizen home because I think you losing it. You losing it. And she was like, well, Camille, it's not a big deal. I can just go down there and have them give me a new room. You know, they can give me a new room. And I'm like, Mom, it's becoming a lot. No, just forget it. She was like, well, I want to see my grandson, so, you know, y'all need a night out. Go ahead, get a night out. You know, this is an easy fix. I just got to go down there, pay deposit so I can get a new room. End up saying yeah. And I appreciate her very much so. And I'm like, Ma, you still on your way to the senior citizen home, because I don't know what will possess you to think that we was going to stay in the exact same room that y'all stayed in. Didn't clean the linen. Y'all probably didn't use all the towels. You know, stuff was probably thrown everywhere. Like, no. We ended up going down there and having a really, really great time. We enjoyed ourselves. Shout out to my mama for actually giving us a little mini break from little Zay Zay, even though we don't really need no break for my baby. But yeah, we had a little break, and we was able to just kind of enjoy ourselves and relax and whatever. Gamble slightly. Well, Xavier, he didn't gamble, but I was able to gamble a little bit. So I enjoyed myself. Had to go through a little struggle, but it worked out. I'm on my last one, y'all. And I am not full. This is like, I should have got me something like a, I don't know, soft taco or something. Something else, because this didn't do nothing for me. They're not really filling at all. I'm hungry. Hungry. If you like the Flamin Hot series, let me know. Go ahead and put down some suggestions of some Flamin Hot stuff that y'all want me to try. I love Flamin Hot. I feel like Flamin Hot is its own food group. It's just so good. I actually wonder if Lil Zay Zay is gonna like spicy food or not. Cause me and my husband both like spicy stuff. It's gonna be funny if he doesn't like spice. That's just gonna be funny. Like, how you gonna be in the Lane household and you don't like spice? What is you doing? Woo! I am done, y'all. So that was really, really good. I'm mad that I didn't get more food because that was not feeling at all. Like, I feel like I got a hole in my stomach and I'm still hungry. Like, not like, oh, it just didn't make you full. No, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna figure out what else I'm gonna whip up. This was real good. So yeah, go ahead, check out the new Flamin Hot Doritos tacos. Let me know what y'all think. Put your suggestions down below in the description box. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Millie Rock family. Like this video. Share this video for your girl. If you can, go ahead and share it. I need it. It helps us small creators. And we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, y'all. So, we're currently at 1,200. We're going to try to get to 2,000 by the end of next month. Can we do it? Can we do it? But we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. So, thank y'all for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. And until next time, peace.